Footloose is an American company that targets athletes that want to wear an athletic, comfortable, and reliable shoe. The company has hired a new CEO in the year of 2013. Footloose's mission statement was established in the year the new CEO was hired, and it is as follows. Footloose strives to provide the most athletic, comfortable, and reliable shoe out on the market today. We compete for our shoe to provide any form of athlete the ability to perform at a high level while wearing our footwear. Next, the strategic approach is a focus strategy aimed at being a global leader in a particular market segment. We want to differentiate ourselves from those companies within our same market segmentation. Footloose saw an ROE of just about 50% in the first year and is yet to reach that number again. They have seen a roller coaster of years going up and down since the first year as the new CEO took over. The EPS is something that has increased within the company since the first year with the new CEO, but again we see them not consistently rising this number to its fullest potential, and the company has not been able to get above the $2 mark since 2015. The stock price is something that started out strong and dropped and follows the same pattern as the ROE. With the ROE, EPS, and stock price following the same pattern, a lot of things internally within Footloose need to be looked at to correct the issue over the next few years. The wholesale market has been a primary focus of this company, and since the first year, wholesale revenue has gone down, as you can see in the comparison from year 11 to year 16. Footloose has come up with a new strategic strategy to help outperform the market. Footloose is a company that strives to produce high-quality shoes that outperforms all other competitors within the market. We are a growing company that is looking to produce shoes that all people wear when they are working out. Our company is not only a place where we develop shoes, but we also develop our employees to help grow their careers within our community. We promote a positive work environment as well as a learning work environment. All of our employees will have the opportunity to learn each aspect of our company if they choose to do so. Each aspect of our company will have the correct managers in the correct locations to ensure they have the product knowledge and capabilities to know everything about the location they are in the footwear industry. Footloose is the most reliable, comfortable, and athletic footwear in the market today. Finally, we have the new look Footloose. Footloose will look to produce more in the North American segment and use this market as its primary consumer market.